Hi guys, good morning. Today we're gonna clean. We're gonna go outside. Napaka-ano ng ano ko lang. Napaka-weirdo ng ano ko.
Be careful, be careful.
Yeah. Look at that.
The neighbors are cleaning the car.
Yeah, the neighbors are cleaning their car. So fun. So here, look at us. It's not okay. Just wait.
Yes, you are.
Look at that. Here's our vecinas and vecino. They're cleaning. Their car is fun. Look at this.
Buried.
Buried in the snow. Oh my gosh. So yeah. This is how it look like when it's snow. If in Philippines they have a storm, here in America they have a snowstorm. So yeah. And oh my god. So yeah. Kian is sweeping the snow like that. Yeah, feel this. How many inches? Come on, he said, come on. Look at this. Oh, diba?
Yeah.
It's cold.
Yummy.
Okay, Kian, cuidado, Kian.
Come on.
So we're going to the car.
Clean that car.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna go there to clean the car. Yeah,
You have to walk on the street. You gotta be careful.
okay. Okay, Kian.
Acá.
Wala. How many inches is this? It's like 1 ruler. Okay, careful. Yeah, we're walking down the street, going to the car to clean the car. And it's cold. Okay, look at Adam. Yep. Yeah. It's raining. It's snowing and raining.
You have to wait there because there's gonna if cars come.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, look at that. I can't. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna wait here. Papi is gonna clean the car.
Yeah? You think so?
Yeah.
But I'm gonna...
Yeah, we're here. We're already full of snow.
It's harder now.
Okay, no. Yeah.
Okay,
And it's
you hold this.
not easy, no? It's not funny.
Not funny?
Yeah.
How about this funny?
No. Don't do that.
How about this funny?
Okay, see you around later, guys. Pala na ako, guys! Oh my god, guys! This is how it looks like here.
It's like up there, Papa.
Huh?
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
My hand is getting colder.
Oh, because you don't wear your gloves. Where's your gloves?
I don't know. But
You have to get your gloves. Oh, no. Acting na siya. Nag-acting na siya. Yes.
You have to look every minute.
Yes.
Up and down.
Yes. It's freezing. We're now inside the car. You know, see the windshield? I don't like snow. Look at that. It's messy. It's not fun after all. Maybe for the kids it's fun. You know? But for us adults, no. Look at that. Oh my god, it's not fun. It's not fun. Look at this. Oh, purisito.
Kian. Papa, this cookie.
Yeah, it's cold.
Knock, knock, knock. Where's it? Knock, knock, knock. Where's it? Kian, where's it?
Whew, oh my god. Napakaginaw. Maligo naman ako nito. Maligo na ako ng snow. Maliligo na ako. Oh my gosh. This is it, no? Napaka-ano yung
I ran away. Running good force.
So guys, see you around later.
Snow is so whitey, then it's very cold outside. but it's very cold. And I was staying in a car because I was cold. Okay, guys, bye. Subscribe to our channel. Little last night, but in the morning so big.
And
Yeah.
then,
It was so cold.
how does it feel?
It's,
You feel happy, like fun?
yeah,
You
fun.
like snow?
Yeah, but I don't like. But I don't like freezing.
You don't like freezing. Oh, okay. So tell them about like you know, how does it, how what do you first like when you hold the snow?
It was so cold.
It's like an regular ice in the in the freezer.
Yeah.
It's crushed. Can you eat the snow?
No.
Do you taste the snow?
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
Something. It didn't taste like something. Yeah. No.
Tasteless?
No.
There's no taste?
Yeah. There's no taste.
Okay. So what are you gonna do next in a little while?
Get. Papa's gonna get my gloves. Then I'm gonna go slide
Where?
in the backyard.
You gonna show them?
Yeah.
So tell them.
So
Invite them.
Yeah.
Guys, come and join me like that.
guys, come and enjoy me in the slide in my backyard.
Okay, so say see you later, guys.
See you later, guys. I had your jacket, guys, because it's so warm.
You feel warm with that two jackets. Tell them how thick your jacket is.
Very thick because I zip it.
You say bye bye.
Bye bye, guys. Subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We're still in the car warming up ourselves because it's freaking cold outside.
Warming up the car too.
No, listen.
So the windshield gets cleaned up, you know, and then
No.
or overall, yeah, it helps.
Look at this. Look at this. Pussy. Oh, come back, guy.
Let's go, Mama. Let's go.
Okay, look at
Look
that.
at the truck. Look at the truck there.
They're plowing. Look at that. They're plowing the ice. After all we clean the ice, the snow and the windshield, it turned like, you know, it's like water. Yeah.
Yeah, no, now it turns water because the heat is on.
Yeah. Okay.
Otherwise, it's gonna turn into ice.
Okay. So, how was it?
It was cool, that's for sure.
But in the first time that you experienced the snow, what do you? What
I was like, oh, I have to work so much now, plowing out a lot of snow. Now, you know, a couple hours of work. I remember the very first snowfall. It was on December 30th,
Yeah.
2000. Yes.
They're still there,
Just
Papa. They're still there.
a day before New Year's Eve.
They're still there,
And
Papa.
yes, no, one foot.
Yeah.
So we had to work a lot. Oh, I have some old pictures that you
Yes,
can post later.
yes.
Yeah.
They're still.
Yeah, Kian. When Papa is talking.
Yeah, they're excited. They're excited. They like it.
Yeah. Sorry guys, the kids are noisy. Look at that. They're plowing.
with me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, welcome back to our channel. This is the Eurofina fam. So today's vlog is pupunta kami sa backyard at maglalaro kami ni Kian ng snowboard. So, I hope samahan nyo kami and tayo mag-enjoy. See ya! Hi guys! Let me try. Fun. over there. Come on. Did you wear medyas?
Yeah.
Okay. Go further. A little further.
What?
Further.
Harder?
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. So, for now dito sa backyard. And I show you how thick it is. I think it's one ruler. Yung ano kapal. Tingnan nyo. Wait. Tingnan nyo. Diba ang hawak ng backyard dito. At punong-puno ito lahat ng snow. Yan. Yan. Diyan. Look. It's a winter wonderland. Yan. It's fun. It's fun at the first time, but kung kung ano ka na, talagang mapapaayaw ka sa snow kasi ang lamig at sakit sa mga kabutuhan at kalamnan kasi napakalamig. Okay lang kung marami kang laman sa katawan mo kasi hindi mo ma-feel yung lamig. Pero kung buto-buto ka lang, ay impas yung ano mo, patay yung ano, mga kabutuhan mo, kalamnan mo, ang sakit-sakit. Pero sa mga bata, nag-i-enjoy talaga sila sa snow. Lalo na itong batang to, ay nako, kung dyan sa Pinas may baha, dito bumabaha ng snow. Do you like snow?
Yes, I'm gonna make my feet stuck in here.
Okay, and then?
Then I'm gonna become the snow boy.
Snow boy?
Yeah.
You like to be called the snow boy?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Are you excited for Christmas?
Yeah. I'm so glad that I had that present.
Oh. Who gave you that present?
My mom,
Ah. How you know?
because I see the presents. Then I think it was my mom.
Okay. Do you love your mama?
Yeah.
Yeah? How much you love your mama?
All.
You love it all?
Yeah.
Why you like most about mama?
Because they're helpful
Helpful. Ah, what else?
and they're nice.
Ah, mama is nice?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. But mama is also danger.
What?
Because mama spank you.
A little bit.
Ah, okay. That's good, yeah. It's good sometimes. Okay. See, tell them to watch our vlog. Our videos.
Guys, watch our vlog every day so we're gonna be rich.
Oh my God, yan talaga yung ano niya do. Guys, please watch our videos so